In this video, I will show you how to fix Android Auto if it keeps disconnecting from your car. First, open Settings on your device. Now, tap on the option of Connected Devices. Here, look for the option of Android Auto. Select that. Now select Previously Connected Cars or Previously Connected Vehicles. If your car appears in the list, tap on the three-dot menu and choose Forget All Cards or Remove Your Connected Vehicle. Once you remove it, go back and tap on the Connect a Vehicle option. And you can reconnect using a USB cable, or if your vehicle supports wireless Android Auto, choose Connect using Bluetooth. Next, scroll down and make sure that Start Android Auto automatically is selected to default or always. Also, enable Start Android Auto while locked so it can connect even when your phone is locked. After that, head over to your device settings. Then, go to Apps. Now, locate Android Auto and select that. Here, tap on Mobile Data. Make sure Allow background usage is toggled on. Also, toggle on the option of allow data usage while data saver is on. Next, go to storage and tap on clear cache. If you're using a wired connection, also try a different high quality USB cable, as damaged or low quality cables are common cause for frequent disconnection. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.